Hi students, welcome to CBSE Maths tutorials. So in the previous class we have seen what is the linear equations in one variable and what is the difference between the expressions and the equations and how we will solve the equations and how to solve the equations, why to solve the equations. That we have seen. So now we will see couple of examples what is provided in the NCERT book of maths book. So here we have 2.2 solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. So here if we see an example, find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So what they are telling, linear equations on one side. So linear expressions on one side, linear expression is 2x minus 3 is an expression because we have a variable associated with this, that's why we call this as an expression, and other side we have a simple number. So example 1, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So as I already told you, you divide this as LHS and RHS and you start writing down what is LHS and equal to and what is RHS you have. So this is 2x minus 3 is LHS and number 7 is on the RHS. So 2x. In the previous class we have seen when there is a multiplication associated with the LHS side, and if we are sending a particular number which is multiplied with the variable in the LHS side, we will be sending that to the RHS side as a division. So 5x is multiplied by 25 and 5 is multiplied with x. So that's why 5 we are sending it to the RHS side as a division. So 25 divided by 5. Similarly here, if we have a subtraction present in the LHS side, if we want to move this particular number to the RHS, why we are moving this to RHS side? Because to find out the value of x. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3 will become plus 3, but whatever 7 present in the RHS side will not be changeable. Like we will not change any number or in like arithmetic operation present in this RHS side, minus or plus whatever it is, we will carry forward to the next step, and whatever minus 3 present we will move to the RHS side, which will become plus 3. So 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to, again here we have a multiplication associated with x, but we want only x. So that's why whatever multiplication present in this LHS side will become division when we send to the RHS side. So 10 by 2. So how many times 10 will go in 2 is 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 5 is the answer here. So to again re-verify whether whatever the answer we got is correct or not, we will take this value 5 and resubstitute in the given equation. So 2 into what is the value of x? 5. So 2 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 7. So what is the value of 2 into 5? 10 minus 3. This 7 is not the solution of this equation. This is RHS side. This is LHS side. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So this 7, which is same. LHS and RHS both are same. That's why whatever the value we got, x is equal to 5 is correct. Similarly, we will look into the example 2. 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Okay. So actually here also they have given this is a different approach what they have provided. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. They are adding 3 on both the sides so that 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. But the same way whatever we have done is also correct. Minus 3 whatever we have on the LHS side, we will be sending it to RHS side, which will become 10, and we will be getting this resultant equation 2x is equal to 10. And again they are dividing. If you are adding and dividing by, adding plus 3 and dividing by 2, how you will come to know that you have to add only 3? Why not 4? Why not 5? So that's why this method whatever I have told you would be clearer, because you will be taking given equation whatever is there, and then you are you will be till you get single x, you will be following all the mathematical operations whatever here, and you will be sending it to the other side. That's how it will be easier. Like you will not be taking some other numbers, random numbers from outside, and you will not be doing here, and it will not be easy also for you. So 2x minus 3, the given expression only you are taking, but you want final x value. So whatever the other values you have present in this expression, you will be sending one by one to the RHS side. So let's look at the example 2. 2y plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 4. This is example 2. So again I told you this is LHS and this is RHS already. So you want to know the value of y. So what are the other than y value we have? 2y and 9 also we have. So we want to send that to the RHS side. Whatever is present in the RHS side, we will just carry forward, we will not change any symbols or the numbers here. So 4 we have, 4 minus 9. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Y is equal to, and whatever y we should be knowing only the value of y, but whatever is present to we don't need to. So we want to send that to the RHS side only. So y is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is the answer, y is equal to minus 5 by 2. So again we will re-verify whether whatever we got minus 5 by 2 is correct answer or. So here actually minus 5 by 2 is the rational number. We'll look into that again. So we'll just re-verify whatever minus 5 by 2 we got is correct or not. So we'll substitute the value of minus 5 by 2 in the given equation whatever we have. 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9. This is only LHS we are writing, and this is RHS we are writing. It's 4. So here we have fraction. Previously we are getting only numbers as a values, but now we got a fraction. How to deal with the fraction? Here it is multiplied. So 2 into minus 5 by 2. So 2, and in the numerator we have 2 and the denominator we have 2. So we can cancel these 2. 2 ones are again. So minus 5 is left out. Minus 5 into 1 basically. So it is minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 4. We are taking again, we are not changing any value. So here we got from LHS minus 5 plus 9. What is the value of my plus 9 and minus 5? It is plus 4, which is equal to 4. Hence LHS and RHS are equal. This is how we prove it. So to check the answer, see, same way they have done. How to check the answer? 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9. So 2 and 2 get cancelled because 2 1 it is in the numerator and it is in the denominator. So minus 5 plus 9, which is equal to RHS. Do you notice the solution is minus 5 by 2 is a rational number. In class 7th, already the equations we solved did not have much such solutions like whatever we have already in equations in class 7. But the solutions whatever we get is not a rational number. We usually used to get some numbers, integers or natural numbers. But here we started with the rational number. So again we'll see example 3, whatever we have now. Solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by. What they are asking us to solve means to find out the value of unknown variable x. That is what they mean. So yeah, again same process, LHS, RHS, x by 3 plus 5 by 2, and RHS we have only just a rational number. We will carry forward that number, and we don't have any variables present in the RHS side. So that's why we will just look into LHS side only to get the value of x. So x by 3 we will keep it as it is, and first we will send only the term which doesn't have any variable, that to the other side, which is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So x by 3 is equal to, when we have just same number in the denominator, then the LCM will be 2. LCM you might have learned in the previous classes, where we will do for the denominators to make a common denominator. So here we have a common denominator 2 only, no need to do LCM. So minus 3 minus 5. So x by 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 by 2. So until we get some single fraction or single number, in one of the sides we will do this process, because to find out the value of x we should solve the equation basically. So whatever are the numbers, we will be sending one by one to the other side until we get single variable in the one side. It can be LHS or RHS, but for ease of solving I am taking into the LHS side. Like I wanted to make only the variable in the LHS side single variable, then remaining all numbers I will be sending into the RHS to find out the value of x. So here it is solvable. So we have 2 and 8, so 2 ones are 2 fourths are. If it is not solvable, like we can keep it as a fraction, but as it is solvable, so I have put, like I have cancelled and I have made it as an integer now. X by 3 is equal to minus 4 is now we got. So x is equal to, here we have a divided by. So if it is a divided by, if it goes to the RHS side, what will become? Multiplication. So x is equal, multiplication also I am writing it is in x, and here the variable is also x, but you just understand the variable I am writing is x and multiplied I am writing is as this cross mark. So make sure that you don't confuse with the variable and the multiplication symbol. 4 into minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12 is the answer. So again we have to re-verify, right? Like whatever the value x is equal to minus 12 we got is correct or not. So x is equal to minus 12 divided by 3 plus 5 by 2. This is only LHS. And what is the value in the RHS? Minus 3 by 2. Whatever we are not disturbing anything in the RHS side. We are just carry forwarding. Here only just we have substituted x is equal to minus 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are minus 4 plus 5 by 2. And here we are just carry forwarding the RHS. We are not disturbing anything. Here we have minus 4 only, and we don't have any numerator, any denominator present for this number. So if we don't have any denominator, then what will be the denominator is 1. So minus 4 by 1 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So now as we have different denominators here 1 and 2, we should be taking an LCM. So LCM is 2. So here you will do like this, 2 1 1 ones are 2 only and 1, and again you will go for 2 ones are 1, and this is 1 again. So until you get 1 1 you will be at 10. So what is the LCM? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Excuse me. So minus 4 by 1 into 2 divided by 2. To make it denominator, like we got an LCM now 2. So to make the denominator common for all the terms whatever we have, we will be doing multiplied with whatever the LCM we got with numerator and the denominator, plus 5 by 2. So here we have already 2, so we should not be doing LCM. Anyway we have got already LCM in the denominator, so we will not be disturbing anything. So minus 3 by 2. So minus 8 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 8 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So whatever the value we got minus 12 is right. So you no need to check the answer, or you no need to worry whether your answer is correct or not. You can solve it by substituting the value whatever you got in again your given equation, and if the LHS and RHS are both the same, then your answer is correct. Okay, now we'll see example 4. What is example 4? We have here 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. This is 4th. So here we have this LHS and this is RHS. RHS we have single number. So now, as I already told you, variables will keep it in the LHS side and the numbers will send it to the RHS side. Here it is plus 115 by 4. So plus 15 by 4, if we send it to RHS side, it will become minus 15 by 4. So minus 7x is equal to, here we have 1. So when we have a 1 for the LCM, so 9, then obviously it will be 4 LCM, 9 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus 15 by 4. Minus 7x is equal to 9 4s are 36 minus 15 divided by 4. Minus 7x is equal to 36 minus 15, how much? 1, 3 minus 1, 2. And what we'll get? This is 36 minus 15, so plus 21 by 4. So now we have 7x left over here. We wanted to send minus 7 also to the right hand side because we want the value of x. 21 by 4 into, it is multiplication. If it is multiplication, then what it will become? It will become divided by. So we have got what? X is equal to minus 21 divided by 4 into 7. In the denominator we have 4 and 7. So we can clearly see that 7 can be 21 is multiplied 3 times with 7. So that's why 7 1s are 7 3s are. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So now you can solve the equation with the value of minus 3 by 4 and re-verify whether you are getting LHS and RHS same or not. I hope these are clear. Thank you for watching.